So today we're going to draw this little dog together. Let's get started. The first step is a circle. Draw a circle. This will be our dog's head. Next, we also divide it vertically and horizontally into halves. In the center, we'll have the nose. Starting from this point, you will see that the dog's mouth is going to be wide open. For the next step, carefully draw another straight horizontal line across the face, and then directly on top of it, you should draw two perfect circles just like this. These are going to represent the eyes. Immediately after that, make sure to mark exactly where the bright white highlights will be positioned, right here in this specific spot. Next, we are going to carefully extend the length of the snout just a little bit further out here to refine the overall shape. Now, let's move on and carefully draw the two small ears. Like this, make them long. On both of the opposing sides. Next, the body. Simply draw a single continuous line. Then another. Draw a circle here next to this line at the end, right here. Go over it. These are our paws. Connect both of these separate parts together, right in the very middle to ensure proper alignment. And proceed to incorporate semicircular patterns along the lower sections on both sides. These will be the hind legs. And then you can carefully add a long flowing tail to the end. And as for the very ground that it is currently sitting on, I want you to completely erase it from existence right now. This is our detailed sketch. So, as you can see, there are absolutely no leftover lines remaining here. And now we can go over the lines with a black marker or a brown one if you have one available. I'll choose black. And let's start with the head. Go over the top. Next, the ears. The prominent human nose and its structure. The human mouth. The incredible complexity of our human eyes. Carefully fill in the color within the pupils of the eyes. Fill in every section except for the indicated highlights. Moving forward to the next phase of our project, we will now focus our attention on constructing and refining the main structural body. And the two powerful back legs. Draw the legs in intricate detail and focus on each individual part. And then we also have the long, flowing, and very majestic tail. In addition to your primary colors, you can also use a lighter marker for the highlights to add depth and dimension over your base layers. For example, consider the clean shade of white. And now let's go ahead and add some lush green grass to the landscape. And now our adorable little puppy is finally ready.